I will show you how to make an effective nighttime soap that will help to brighten and exfoliate your skin. This soap is very effective at night. This soap will help to exfoliate, remove dead skin cells, and brighten your skin while your skin undergoes repair during the night. To make this soap, you will need lentils. Lentils contain nutrients like vitamin, minerals, protein, folic acid. Lentils has properties like anti-inflammatory, cleansing, and bleaching properties, which will help to lighten the skin, remove dirty, excess oil buildup, and help to soothe and calm the skin. So I'm going to soak it. So I'll be making use of potatoes. So I'm going to peel the potato and cut it into smaller pieces so I can blend it together with the lentils. Potatoes has natural bleaching agents. They are also rich in antioxidants to help to boost collagen. It also has cooling and brightening properties which will help to reduce dark spots. So I'm going to be adding the soaked lentils and potato into the blender. Add a little water so that you can blend it into a smooth paste. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to strain to get the juice. After straining, this is the liquid I got. I'm going to be adding glycerin. I will add few drops of vitamin E oil for extra nourishment. I will also add a teaspoon of almond oil. Feel free to use any carrier oil of your choice. Mix to combine. So for the soap base, you can decide to cut or grate the soap base into smaller pieces. You can use double boiler method or microwave to melt the soap base. So while still melting the soap base, I'll be adding the potato mixture. Stir properly to mix together. So when all the ingredients have mixed together, I'm going to be adding few drops of lavender oil. Then I will mix and remove from the heat. Pour the mixture into the silicone mold. Allow the soap to set at room temperature for a few hours. Once the soap is fully set, carefully remove from the mold. Store them in cool, dry place. You can use this soap daily or for a few weeks for best results. This is a special nighttime skincare soap that will help to brighten your skin, reduce dark spots, and give you a glowing complexion while you sleep.